Are you looking to enhance your Gmail experience with the new Smart Compose Personalization feature? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Smart Compose Personalization on Gmail on your PC. First, open gmail.com on your web browser. Then, from the top bar, click on the gear icon located on the right-hand side. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access different settings. Next, click on See All Settings to open the Settings page. From here, navigate to the General section where you'll find the Smart Compose Personalization feature. Find the option for personalization and click on the toggle switch to turn it on. This will enable Smart Compose Personalization on your Gmail account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to confirm your selection. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the changes. Click on OK to save your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Smart Compose Personalization on your Gmail account. Now you can enjoy personalized suggestions while composing emails. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.